Hello friends, I am Trilochan. I hope you are safe and healthy. Today we will discuss how to code the Deno, the basic fundamentals I will show you, and also we will discuss how to create REST API on Deno. So without any further delay, let's get started. So this is Deno land page, the installation page. You can copy the code for your system. So my case is Mac, so I copy the call first one. So copy this and go to the command prompt and just enter, paste and enter. Yeah. So this is you can download from the Deno from their official websites. So once it's done, download. Then I will show you how to create a simple basic program in Deno. So after that we will also discuss the REST API, and this is the first part of Deno tutorial. So I will also make another video on to create a MySQL, to connect to MySQL and how to connect to your API. So this is done. So now you have to copy these two path and paste in your base profile, so that it will automatically recognize the Deno. So this is the path you have to set. So let's copy this and in base profile you just paste it. Yes. So after that just I will show you the Deno how it's work. Very simple. It will simply work like a express node programming. Will work TypeScript programming will do. So let's Deno. Okay, so we have to code this one. Means the we have to restart the terminal, otherwise it will not work. So yes, I have to restart. Then let's restart this. Okay, for restart I have to just close down this and then open again. Yes. So let's make it large. Yes, I think it's visible now. So let's create Deno. Yes, Deno. So that means we have installed successfully the Deno. It's working now. So let's create a first file, console.log, something welcome message you can print. So let's create one single file. So for that, so let's go to the I have already created one folder here for Deno example. So let's create another file. So one file, so that let's nano the file name, anything like you can give here, nano the first example or welcome message. So in that way you can, this is the file name, it's .ts. So that is the TypeScript file. So let me create hello world.ts. Yes, enter. So now you can just write down console.log. This is hello world program of Deno. So you might have know the node. So this is the basic, you have to know node at least. So otherwise JavaScript, at least you have to know JavaScript, TypeScript. So then you can understand this program. So console.log. So welcome to Deno tutorial. This is very simple. Yes, control X, control I. Yes, it's done. Let's run this. Deno space run, then file name hello world.ts. Enter. So now you can see this is compiled and it's successfully worked. Welcome to Deno tutorial is printed. So let's go to the one standard library. So we'll create the one HTTP server. So HTTP, here is the coding. You can just copy this and we'll create another file name simple server.ts, so that we can run this simple server. We can HTTP server we can run through the Deno. So let's paste. Yes, then Control X. This is a simple response, but you can change it. Then Control X, then Y, enter. So this is saved now. So let's run it. Deno run, because this is need the access of network, so that's why we have to add this flag, allow net simple server.ts. So we have already discussed what is Deno and what is the difference between the Deno and Node. So the previous video. So this is running now. So this is the server path. You can just paste it here. Yes, hello world. So your simple server is created. So now we will discuss how to create a REST API on the same Deno programming. Is a very simple way, also simple program I will show you. So after that, the next video will discuss how to connect MySQL also. So let's open that folder, Deno example. This is my editor is Sublime, so you can I will recommend you can use VS Code, so that that will directly you can download the extension of Deno, so that will be helpful. But I don't have VS Code, so I am using um, Sublime. So there's a lot of things to do. So I need to select JavaScript, so that it will looks like colorful, otherwise it will simple black and white will show. So let's start. This is the first page I have creating the server. So we will take the help of Oak means modules of the third party modules, so to create the REST API. So here I need to import this one. So this is the very easy, like you don't need to install this one. You just simply import the file like https denoland x awk then mod.ts. This is the URL of awk module. Okay, so this is very simple. So in Node you have to install and keep it in packages, JSON. Node module you have to install. So this is very simple in Deno. So here import that router. So I'll show you using the roots. So for that I need to create another file, roots.ts. so I will show you how to create that. Just see how to working is routes.ts. So I will create this file, so but it is not there, so just importing for the next I will do that. So constant, so let's create a port. So this port you can change anything, your preferred port you can choose. So I have just make it a constant, so that using different I can use in different position here. So anything like, so let's constant application. This is our app dot use routers. Okay, routers dot routes here. Then then we will use app dot use router dot allowed methods. You can restrict your all the methods, but I will there is no restriction for so I'm just showing you the demo, so that's why I'm not restricting any methods here. So router dot allowed methods, so that it means it will allow all the methods. Otherwise you can put your methods here which you want to restrict. Yes. So now this is done. So let's console dot log. So you just print it, so that you can know that your server is running. So yes, server is running on port this. You can take your variable. So you don't need to define every time you just write to 8000. So you just, I can print the variable. So printing this dollar, the braces port. Yes. Next is you just await and f dot listen your port number. So this is dot server.ts. Then I will create routes.ts, so that where we will define the routes. So then again I will show you the how to create a method and the function, so that routes will call that particular method. And this is done. So let's create routes.ts, new file, control S, save. Yes, root.ts, routes.ts. So root.ts, that means we also means enable JavaScript here, and we will that is the router is a object we have to call from the same awk modules. So import here the same it is. So let's copy and paste it here. Paste. So instead of application, just call the router. Here it is. Next we'll create the router here. So constant router, call your class router. So this is object we have to create, router, new router. Yes. So now we will make a router.get. So the path we will create, router.get. So it will be slash API slash welcome. So this is the path where you will call your API. So this is the function. So welcome. So I'll create a function or method, you can say. So just export the router. Export default router. If you mention the default, so while you importing this, the no need of curly braces. Okay, so this is router.ts is done. So let's create a welcome method, new file. So this is one type of controller, you can say. So so api.ts one file. So you can keep another folder, then keep it your this api.ts on that in the same folder, but I'm simply showing you the here. So enable the JavaScript. Now it's not enabled. Yes, JavaScript, yes, it's enabled now. So let's import let's create a function now, constant welcome. So in welcome, so I have to just a response. This is same arrow method you create in your node. So this is object response, and this is because this is the TypeScript, you can also mention your type also here. So let's mention that response colon, yes, response any. So this is type I'm mentioning here. Yes, done. So within that we will write the body, response body, enter response dot body. So you can pass, means I'm just giving you the just static data. So once you connected to your MySQL or your database, so that you can give you the accordingly the data whatever the means request has made. So this is simple data I'm writing. Suppose instead of data you can write message, and message I can write welcome to Deno REST API. Yes. Yes, this mess rest. Yes, this function is done. That means we have created the server ts, then routes ts, then this is the function ts. In routes we have called this function to get the data. So here it is welcome function, and here you have to import this means your function here. So for that, welcome from your api.ts /api.ts. Yes. So this is the file structure, the internal file structure you just mentioned. So we just call this function from api.ts. So this is done now. So next, just run this server.ts, deno run, and it should be allow net. Yes, allow net is double dash allow dash net, then the file name server.ts. Yes, it's actually it's not work is not there, so it's downloading to your system, and it will cache the next time it will not run. Oh, sorry, uncaught syntax error. API does not provide an export named welcome. Okay, we have to export that welcome method so that you can import in root.ts. So we have to export here and export welcome. Yes, so this is now exported. So let's check again. Yes, it's working. It's compiled now. Yes, server running on port 8000. So let's check in browser it's working or not. So localhost 8000, and your path is api/welcome. Enter. So now you can this checks the success true. Message is welcome to Deno REST API. This is working. So this is /API welcome, and how this is working. So thank you so much for watching. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe.